Hey everyone, season's greetings. I hope you all had a nice Christmas and hopefully better things ahead in 2021. But for this video, we're going back in time. We're going to jump into my jump rope video vault and we're going to look at some footage from 3 years ago, footage that I've never shown on this YouTube channel. And it's of a style or jump rope move popular with the former retired, one of my favorite boxers of all time from Sheffield in England. A lot of great boxers from Sheffield, Kell Brook, Johnny Nelson, to name a few. This boxer is Prince Naseem Hamed. Boxers to watch in the ring and incredibly entertaining to listen to on a microphone. He had an incredible entrance to the ring. He used to hop over the ropes. His ring walks were always entertaining. He used to often sing and rap. In the ring, he was known for his defensive ability. He had incredible ability to avoid punches, the way he teased and mocked his opponents, and then because of his incredible one-punch knockout power that he had. He often knocked out his opponents with just one punch, and just incredibly entertaining to watch in the ring. Prince Naseem Hamed. It's very difficult to find jump rope footage of him online these days, but because I was a huge fan of him and I followed him throughout his career, I had seen a lot of footage of him back in the day jumping rope, and because of that I became familiar with some of the moves that he liked to do, and this was one of the coolest jump rope moves that I would see him perform. So that's what we're going to cover in this video. Hey everyone, so this footage from 3 years ago was recorded in slow motion, which can be very helpful for learning purposes. Prince Naseem Hamed, that was his nickname, Prince Naseem or Nas, retired from boxing in 2002 with only one loss. He lost to the great Mexican fighter Marco Antonio Barrero by a unanimous decision. Naseem Hamed had 31 knockouts in 36 wins, so he had incredible knockout punch. So right here I'm just doing a basic 2-foot hop, and now I go into a scissor jump. One foot goes forward, the other goes back while jumping over the rope. So the right foot is forward, now the right foot is back, the left goes forward. The left goes back, the right goes forward, staying on the toes and balls of my feet. So nothing too crazy here, nothing too difficult. The scissor jump, alternating feet, staying light on the toes and balls of my feet. But now, notice the scissor step, I'm doing it while moving backwards. This is what Naseem Hamed used to do. So going backwards, it involves a certain level of coordination and agility. So now look at the right foot, it goes forward, left goes back, the right foot goes back, the left goes forward, right goes forward into a heel tap. And now moving from right to left in a diagonal shuffle. We'll see this again now. So diagonal shuffle into a scissor jump. Right foot goes forward, right goes back, left goes forward. Right goes forward, left goes back. So we go from a scissor jump in the same place, and then we do it while moving backwards. And then we will perform a heel tap with the left foot coming up very soon, and then we're going to go into a diagonal shuffle to the right. So we'll see that heel tap in just a minute.
Left foot goes forward, right goes back. Left foot goes back, right goes forward. Now watch the left foot now. Left foot back, forward into a heel tap, and then into a diagonal shuffle from left to right. This is one of Naseem Hamed's favorite jump rope moves. When he boxed, he made use of the ring. He moved around a lot, and he did the same when he jumped rope. He often liked to move his feet forwards and backwards from side to side and in diagonal patterns, and he did the same when he jumped rope. So a scissor jump, alternate feet forwards and backwards, and then do it while moving backwards. Left goes back, right goes forward. Right goes back, left goes forward. Now watch the right foot. And do a heel tap. And then a diagonal shuffle from right to left. Now, the diagonal shuffle, it's quite a difficult move. I've covered the side shuffle and the diagonal shuffle in previous videos, and I will make another tutorial video on this move. And I'll show some different techniques that you can use to learn the side shuffle to the diagonal shuffle, and I'll show you some techniques to go from beginner to intermediate to more advanced shuffles. So scissor jump into a heel tap with the left foot, and then we'll go into a diagonal shuffle from left to right. So as I said, this is in slow motion now. You can practice this yourself. Practice doing the scissor jump, standing in the same place, and then do it while moving backwards, and then throw in a heel tap. If you do a heel tap with your right foot, then you're going to want to do a diagonal shuffle from right to left. If you do a heel tap with your left foot while moving backwards, then you're going to want to do a diagonal shuffle from left to right. So this is an imitation of one of Prince Naseem Hamed's favorite jump rope moves. As I'm doing right now, this is just a basic side shuffle, and he would do that as well. He would do some scissor jumps, go into a side shuffle, do some heel taps, and go into diagonal shuffles. Okay, well, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you again soon, hopefully.